You ever find yourself in a city where the night doesn't just begin, it hunts you down? Welcome to Budapest. This isn't your average travel vlog. Tonight, we're diving headfirst into the underbelly of a city that doesn't sleep. No filters, no sugarcoating, no curated tourist checklist. Just the raw, unhinged energy of a place that goes from beautiful to brutal once the sun dips behind Buda's hills. We're talking dark alleys hiding secret clubs, ruined bars built inside bombed-out buildings, steam rising from midnight bath raves, shots of palinka that'll make your soul question your decisions, and the kind of people you only meet when it's way past the point of no return. This is enjoying night to extreme in Budapest. You ready? Let's go to the edge. The calm before the storm. It starts innocent enough. 7:15 p.m. The golden hour is hitting the Parliament building like a fairy tale. Locals are finishing work, lovers are strolling down the Danube, and you could almost be tricked into thinking this is just another European city winding down. But not tonight. I stop by a quiet side street in District 7, Jewish Quarter. It's the calm before the chaos. You can feel it in the air, like something's charging up. I grab a plate of chicken paprikash with nokedli, comfort food, rich with paprika, creamy, soft, like the city's luring you in gently. But don't be fooled. Because once that sun drops behind the chain bridge, Budapest wakes up different. Gateway drug. Ruined bars. 8:45 p.m. Goes to Udvar. You want to know where the descent starts? Right here. You walk into a narrow alley of twinkling lights and it's all laughter, clinking glasses, a DJ spinning chilled house tracks. You think you're just getting a beer. You think you're in control. But this is where the city starts testing you. I meet some travelers from Argentina. They tell me about a place deeper in the city. Not on TripAdvisor. Not on Google. Only way to find it? Text this random number on WhatsApp. It feels sketchy. It is sketchy. Of course, I text it. They tell me, wait for the crow. I laugh. Until I see a guy in a black hoodie wearing a freaking crow mask stroll past the bar. Into the madness, the unlisted club. We follow him. Down a back alley. No signs. Just graffiti. A metal door. He knocks once, twice, 3 times. The door opens, and it's like stepping into a fever dream. Red lights. Shadows. Bass thumping like a heartbeat. There's a bar made out of old car doors, people dancing under a projection of eyes blinking on the ceiling, and a DJ who looks like he hasn't slept in 3 days, but he's spinning vinyl like it's life or death. I meet a Hungarian girl named Esther. She says, you haven't really seen Budapest until you've seen it with no rules. She hands me a shot of palinka, some kind of apricot firewater, and the night flips. Everything gets louder. Faster. People are climbing onto furniture, someone's juggling knives in the courtyard, and in the corner, a guy is painting portraits, in blood-red ink. Or at least I hope it's ink. Yo, if you're still watching, first of all, respect. Second, smash that like button if you're vibing with this madness. Hit subscribe if you want to see more of these raw, no-holds-barred travel experiences. And drop a comment, tell me the craziest night out you've ever had. I want to hear the wildest of the wild. Alright. Let's keep going. It gets darker from here. The night bath. Silence and surreal midnight. Most people would be heading home. Not here. I grab a cab and tell the driver one word, Sichani. He smirks. He knows. We arrive at the thermal baths, and it's like entering another dimension. Steam clouds the air. Neon lights bounce off water. There's music, but it's slow now. Hypnotic. There are dozens of us floating, not speaking. The city has worn us out. Or maybe it's just whispering through the water now, instead of shouting. Then suddenly, a light show. I kid you not. Lasers cut through the steam, and the beat drops. Sparty. A full-blown rave in a Roman bathhouse. People dancing in the pools, under columns built in the 1900s. It's like ancient Greece meets Berlin club culture. You don't get this in Paris. Or London. Only Budapest. The Edge. The rave beyond the city, 2:45 a.m. We're not done. Esther texts me. You wanna see how far the night can go? We jump in a van. No joke, a random van full of strangers. It's driving toward the outskirts of the city. Past the streetlights. Past the neighborhoods. Into what looks like industrial nowhere. We stop at an old factory. Broken windows. No signage. Music leaking through cracks in the concrete. Inside, an underground techno warehouse with no phones allowed. You surrender your device at the door. Just you, sweat, the bass, and whatever's pulsing through your bloodstream. You lose time here. Hours. It's like a loop. The beat just doesn't stop. And then, as if the night has one final trick up its sleeve, the sunrise endgame, 5:30 a.m. We break out of the warehouse as the sky starts bleeding orange. We hop a tram. Locals just waking up. We're still in last night's clothes, eyes red, hearts racing. We head to the river. A tiny boat. Someone knew someone who knew someone. We jump on. 20 of us. No tourists. No plan. And we sail. Under the chain bridge. Past the parliament. The sun rises behind the dome, turning the Danube gold. You sit there, sweaty, tired, speechless, and you realize, this city doesn't let you visit. It consumes you. Wrap it hard. That was the night. No script. No agenda. Just Budapest, unfiltered. If you come here expecting the usual, don't. This city isn't pretty after dark, it's beautifully vicious. It'll challenge you. Intoxicate you. Spit you out reborn. Thanks for rolling with me on this insane night. If you survived this vlog, drop a like. If you felt it in your bones, hit subscribe. And if you've ever had a night like this, or want one, tell me in the comments. Let's swap stories. I need sleep. Or maybe, breakfast? Catch you on the next one. Stay wild.